Yeah, my peeps, you can see the wine beef ready now, right? Remember Jamaican.
Hey guys, welcome back to Lumberjack Kitchen. The recipe for today is some wine beef. Someone watch it really till the end, like, share, right? Remember, recipe wine beef. Remember, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. The recipe I got nice, delicious, finger licking. Remember, wine beef. See the wine I'm gonna use here? Yeah, so you use the wine where you like, but the one that me like, this I use in my recipe. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to Lumberjack Kitchen. The recipe for today is some wine beef. You can see the beef there. The beef is seasoned about 3 weeks now in the fridge. From the last time I cooked the curry beef, I have the leftover, the left back. So I'm going to show you all of my ingredients when I use prepare my wine beef. Remember, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Alright, start from the green season. You have some onion, pepper, bell pepper, tomato, Irish. You have some ginger, scallion, a big mumpy carrot here. Also, we have some pimento. And you can see all of these make my saucy wine here. These wine, you can use the wine of choice now. Any wine you can use, but I use that one here. This me like, the one I use. And see my sauce here. I have some honey. Instead of sipping with sugar and sauce, I'm use the honey instead. See there? I have some all-purpose. I got fry plot on the side. So remember, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Wine beef. Remember, wine beef. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. So like and share. Please remember, like and share. Yeah, my peeps, you can see I cut the beef more smaller. Remember, you know, wine beef. So all of my spice them here and thing, I'm going to use in my wine beef. So the recipe I got nice, man. Just remember, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Like and share. Yeah, my peeps, you see? Remember wine beef, you know, man. Yeah. You see what I go on there, see? Yeah. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack.
Claro.
Yeah, my peeps, remember wine beef, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Alright, it's going to simmer down for half an hour. You know, say it's ready and you know. It smells delicious. Yeah, my please remember wine beef, you know, man. This is yo, this is yo, I tell you, it's a flavor. It has, me I tell you, so this is nice and delicious. I'm not done yet. It's a recipe, yeah. Me I tell you, man. John no star. Wine beef. Remember Jamaican cooking with lumberjack, you know. Remember Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Alright, we go and simmer down now. 5 more minutes and it's ready. Yeah, my peeps, you can see the wine beef ready now, right? Remember Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. It's a recipe and nice and delicious. Remember me tell you, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Yeah, my peeps, you can see wine beef ready. Remember Jamaican cooking with lumberjack, you know, like and share. So we have some crushed Irish, we have some boiled Irish, we have some fried plantain, and see the wine beef there. It's a recipe I got nice, you know, delicious. Yeah man, eatable.